Good morning, students. In today's class, we will study roof coverings. These are the contents of the lecture: introduction, properties of the different coverings, factors affecting the selection of roofing material, types of roof coverings. Roof covering means the materials which are required to cover up the roofs. These are so many types. First we will see the types of roof coverings. Mainly roof coverings are slate roofing tiles, Elhawar tiles, burnt clay tiles, concrete tiles, GI sheet, AC sheet, and thatch covering. These types of coverings are used in the pitched roofs. ये सभी रूफ की coverings कहाँ use करेंगे हम? Pitched roofs में. We will discuss one by one. First one is the roofing tiles. Roofing tiles are used to cover sloping roofs. As I have already said that roofing tiles or all these coverings are used in the pitched roofs. These tiles may have curved shape or rectangular shapes or carved ribbed tiles. They come in different shapes. What are the properties required in these tiles? They should not absorb more moisture or more water, not more than 20%. They should give pleasing appearance, capable of taking loads. They should be durable. They should be uniform in shape and size, and there should be uh, very less warping or no warping. What are the factors on which basis we can select the types of roofing material? Type of building, type of framework, initial cost, maintenance requirements, fabrication facilities, appearance and special features, availability of material, climate of locality. These are the factors on which on these on these basis we can select the type of roofing material. First one is the slate roofing, yeah, slate tiles. Uh, these are the properties of slate tiles. They absorb very less water, maybe less than 0.4%. Slates may come of bituminous also. Slates are available in three colors: gray, black, and red. The most common size is 12 inch by 6 inch. Thickness is around 6 mm, and their cost is 25 to 30 square rupees per square feet. This is the process how the slates are obtained. These are obtained from the stone quarries. They, uh, they are converted into proper shape and size. Then we use these on the buildings as a roofing materials. This is the uh, process how we fix these tiles. Nails are used to fix these. These nails are made up of alloys and stainless steels. How we lay these slates on the sloping roof. Then the Elhawar tiles. Elhawar tiles are the curved shaped tiles. These are also most commonly used tiles. Elhawar tiles are generally laid by sides and joints are covered with half rounded tiles. It consists of flat board bottom under tile and alternative with convex tongue curved over tile. These are their cost may be um, 55 to 145 rupees per square feet. The over tile is half round and tapered in plan with diameter tapering from 16 centimeter at tail and to 12 centimeter at the head. And the burnt clay tiles. These types of tiles are mostly used in the villages. ये हम villages में ज़्यादा देखते हैं इस type के tiles. These tiles are also called the clay roofing tiles. They are their durability is more. These are used for sloping roofs. Clay tiles are heavy, requiring a strong substructure and closely spaced battens. The sizes are 2 inch by 6 inch or 3 inch by 8 inch. And their cost may be around 45 to 65 rupees per square foot. The advantage of these tiles. तो कर दोगे सही कर दोगे